to another adventure. Today, back on the R7. Love this thing. You know it. Alright, special day. It's always a special day on this channel. Now I'm gonna go meet up with a buddy, man, for lunch. Imagine that. Eating food, lunch on this channel. Yeah, somebody you haven't yet seen on this channel. Known the dude for a long time, man. His name's Kathie. He's a good dude, man. Known him for a long time. Anyway, we're meeting at another one of my favorite little local spots. Yeah, Chinese, man. We're gonna get Chinese. We don't do enough Chinese on this channel, so we're gonna go ahead and do that today. I'm gonna blow up one of my favorite spots, man. Local spots, private spots. I probably hit this place once a week. It's definitely on the rotation. The place has been in business for like 36 years. Yeah, think about that. 36 years slinging Chinese food. You know it's gonna be good. LAP Motorsports had the R7 for a bit, man. He did a little bit of work. I think he had the ECU flashed. He asked me to give him a report after I was done riding it for the first time. You want to know if I felt anything different about it? I can already tell you, I don't hear the pops. I don't hear them anymore. Watch, when I decelerate, no pops. Yeah, none. None. That was one of my favorite parts about this bike. Other than that, let's see. I feel like the throttle response is pretty good. Seems a little different, so maybe he flashed the ECU. Maybe that's all he did. I don't know. Feels great. This bike feels great. In fact, talking about this bike, LAP Motorsports does plan to give it away. Yeah. How? We're not sure yet. Some sort of a contest. I don't know if it's going to go through YouTube, my channel, Instagram. I have no idea. But the best way to get in line to win this thing, follow LAP Motorsports on their social media. Oh man, this bike has anti-lock brakes. I'll tell you what, one thing I wish that LAP Motorsports would have done, figure that out. Get rid of these anti-lock brakes. No sliding, no fun. If I owned this bike, that'd probably be one of the first things I did. Second thing, first add exhaust, get that two brothers love going, then figure out how to disable the anti-lock brakes. I tell you where we're going yet? I think we did. Chinese, man. Place we're going to, 36-year-old new Shanghai Restaurant. Always consistent, always good, always priced right. I'm serious, man. You get tons of food on the cheap at this place. Usually get Mongolian beef or beef and broccoli or pepper steak. Get some of that fried rice I love, the wonton soup. Man, you know how you do it. Dude, you go crazy at the Chinese restaurants. Family style. Okay. See if he's here, man. See if he's here. New Shanghai Restaurant. This is the spot, man. I'm telling you guys. Kayvon. What up, Mr. Kayvon?
Hey, Mr. Delinquent.
Good to see you. All right. You got shit in your teeth, but that's good. No, I'll leave it. It's great. We're just telling everybody how awkward it is for you to be on camera. Let me see. What do you got in there, man? Just eat that. You won't be hungry anymore. What are you driving, man? What is all this shit?
Well, this is the Comma, which you can buy to...
Comma?
Yeah, the Comma.
Comma.
There's a company called Comma.ai. It's like a discount Tesla.
Discount Tesla.
Yeah.
And it works on any car?
Most cars.
All right, Chinese. Let's go.
Are you going to park your bike?
to Shanghai Restaurant. What'd you think, man?
It was great. Thanks for inviting me.
All that food. Dude, we got tons of food.
Yeah,
like 35 bucks, man.
I know. I thought it was going to be like $80, but I was really shocked.
Yeah, no, this place takes good care of you. It's one of my faves. Anyone looking for a Chinese restaurant in the area, this could be your fave too. Yeah. Price right, tons of food's good too, consistent. All right, Kevin, well, it's good to see you, man. Glad you're doing well.
Likewise.
Let's do it again.